Welcome back to Takeaway Tuesday. Today we're gonna do a stuffed mushroom in 2 minutes. Ingredients below. Okay, so here we go, timer's on. I have canned crab meat. Don't be scared. Shh, it's okay. This is really good. It tasted it, not salty. It's so much cheaper, and it's canned when it's freshly caught. So you know it's gonna be nice and fresh tasting. So we're gonna do a bit of that, okay? I have some panko here. Panko is just a thicker breadcrumb. I like it because it doesn't just turn into a paste, it actually adds some crunch. Get it? Let's just get over. This is a beat up egg. This is just gonna blend it all together. I'm just gonna put half of this for this amount. Oh, there we go, it's like half, okay? I'm going to do a little spoonful sour cream, bigger than I thought, that's okay. I'm gonna do a little spoonful of mayonnaise. Don't be grossed out, don't be grossed out. There we go. We've got some parsley in here. Good. We've also got, there you go, Boursin. Boom. We're gonna do a bit of Parmesan. These rhymes, man. I'm gonna just use them till they're gone. Good. More parsley. There goes the microphone. Pepper. Salt. Good. And we're gonna give that a stir.
Jeez, you're doing a time lapse.
Sometimes we have to do our own time lapses for it. Okay, I feel good about this. We're just gonna add some more spices, a bit of Worcestershire. Let's do a little garlic. Some paprika. And some thyme. Whenever you have a dried herb like this, if you don't have time to get a mortar pestle, make sure you're doing this. Release the flavor. Okay, and stuff your mushrooms. Good. It's your little babies. If you're doing a main course, get a portobello. Ah! We have those stuffed. Doing a bit of Parmesan. More. Some more breadcrumbs. These have been mixed with a bit of olive oil and Parmesan. You put a bit of olive oil in there so that they don't just burn. It's gonna create a nice crispy crust. If you just put breadcrumbs in alone, they're just gonna burn. Okay, we're gonna broil these for 2 minutes, but keep an eye on them because if your oven's hot, it might be a different time. So put them under the broiler. Whew. Okay, so we've taken them out of the oven, broiled for about 4 minutes, I would say. We're just gonna do a little bit more parsley, like maybe a little bit more. Just get the scrounges. Sure. A little bit of prosciutto. Gotta really buff this one up. And some pepper. There you have it. Stuffed mushrooms in about 2 minutes. Perfect for a quick appetizer, or if you are going to a potluck, or if you're just lazy and want a quick supper. They worked.
Yum.
Yum. Try one. Appetizer.